Hello everyone, how are you guys? I hope you are well. Okay, welcome to my channel. Here I will explain about permutations and examples. What's permutation? Anybody know? Permutation definition 1. Definition of permutation. Permutation of a set with different objects is an ordered order of these objects. Permutation R is an ordered arrangement of R objects from a set of n different objects. For example, suppose S equals 1, 2, 3. The ordered sequence 3, 2, 1 is a permutation of S, while the order of sequence 3.2 is the permutation 2 of S. The number of permutations of R of n different objects is denoted by permutation n R, or n permutation R, or Pn R. To find P, N, R, you can use multiplication rules. Example 1. For example, S equals A, B, C. Permutation 2 of S is the arrangement of letters A, B, air conditioning, B, A, B, C, C, A, and C, B. As a result, there are 6 permutations 2 of sets with 3 elements. Using the multiplication rule, there are 3 ways to select the first element and there are 2 ways to select the second element in the letter order. So the number of arrangement of letters is P, 3.2, equals 3.2 equals 6. Theorem 1. If n is a positive integer and R is an integer with 1 is less than or equal to R is less than or equal to n, then the R permutation of the set with n different elements ISP, n, R, equals n, n-1, n-2, n-R plus 1. Still here, do you understand? Okay, I will explain it again. Proof. We will use the multiplication rule to show that the formula is correct. Assume R permutation as an activity with a length of R steps. The first element in R permutation can be chosen in n ways because there are n different elements in the set. Next, there are n-1 ways to select the second element in R permutation, because there are n-1 elements left after selecting the position on the first element. In the same way, there are n-2 ways to select the third element, and so on until n-R-1 equals n-R plus 1 way to select the R element. As a result, based on multiplication rules, cheeky smiley face, n-R equals n-1, n-2, n-R plus 1, is R permutation on a set with n different elements. As a result, 1. If n and R are integers with 0 is less than or equal to R is less than or equal to n, then P, n-R equals n. nR. Proof. Since n and R are integers with 0 is less than or equal to R is less than or equal to n, the theorem 1 is obtained. n, R equals n, n1, n2, n, R plus 1, equals n. nR. Because n0 equals n equals 1 with n non-negative integers, then we have seen that P, n, R equals n. nR also applies to R equals 0. Based on theorem 1, if n element of Z, then P, n equals n. Example 2. How many ways to choose the first winner, second winner, and third winner from 100 different people who took part in the contest? Answer. The number of ways to choose 3 winners is the number of arrays arranged by 3 elements out of 100 elements, namely the number of permutations 3 from the set with 100 elements. Overcome. Ask ISP 100.3 equals 100.99, 98 equals 970.200. So many videos from me, hopefully useful for all of you. Thank you very much.